How to fix Logitech G Hub not working? First, you need to go to your task manager, or also you can right click on your taskbar to access your task manager. From here, you need to go to details and click on L on your keyboard to find out the Logitech Hub.exe, and from here click on it, and at the bottom right corner you will find the end task button. Click on end task, then again go to service, click on this Windows icon and write services, go to services, and here you need to find the LG Hub, and you just need to scroll a little, and here the LG Hub update service, you just need to click on it. Here, as you can see, the status of LG Hub update service is running. Click on it, right click on it and property, and click on stop. It will take a short loading, and make sure it's stop now and the status is blank. Click on OK, and when you find out that the LG Hub update service status is not running in background, now try to reopen the LG Hub again. If it doesn't work, then you need to remove this app from your desktop and reinstall it LG Hub on your device. Click on it, and here you'll find the uninstall button. Uninstall it and reinstall the LG Hub again. Then hope you will find that Logitech G Hub will started working again. Here is this important thing to notice, that when you are processing the installing process, then you just need to uncheck this box that save my current settings and click on uninstall. It will uninstall Logitech G Hub from your device without saving the current settings. It might be a reason that the current settings is preventing Logitech G Hub working on your device. Now go to Logitech G Hub and download G Hub for Windows again. Reinstall it and hope you will find it's working correctly. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.